Hello my chat partners, welcome back to another video. If you are new here, my name is Dionne. Please subscribe to my channel, and to my returning chat partners, I really appreciate you guys' support. Today's video is a what I eat in a day. I hope you guys enjoy. So first things first guys, I am making me some green tea, and with my green tea I added some honey and some apple cider vinegar. Guys, this is something new that I've been trying to drink in the morning time now. I used to drink apple cider vinegar by itself like a capful, but I decided to add it to my tea. I'm going to continue to drink apple cider vinegar with my tea and just see what the effects are. Okay, so this portion of the video, I'm going to make some salmon cakes, and I made me some salmon cakes so I can have for lunch and breakfast. And guys, all I did was I just added some seasoning to my liking, a bell pepper and some onion, and I also added egg. Guys, if you're new to my channel, thank you all so much for joining and for subscribing. I am over 40. I'm actually 46 years old. And guys, my journey lately has been me trying to take better care of myself. And guys, with that, I have a lot of videos of me just cooking meals and what I eat as far as me trying to lose weight, because I currently am on a weight loss journey, just a better self-care journey, fitness journey. And guys, I'm a beginner and I'm just trying to find it my way, because I feel like at the end of the day, whenever you're doing something as far as trying to take better care of yourself, as far as changing your eating habits, you have to find out what works for you. Okay, my beautiful people, I hope you guys have been enjoying this video so far. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, Dionne's Life, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me. Guys, so right now I am cutting up a lemon, and I'm also going to cut up some ginger because I'm going to prepare my water for the day. Guys, I am someone that I drink 6 bottles of water each and every day. And on some days I do add ginger, lemon, sometimes garlic to my water. And guys, comment below, let me know if you're a water drinker. And if you are, let me know if there is anything that you add to your water so you can better take it in, or it's easier for you to drink water. Guys, drinking water is so important, and I hope we all out here are drinking water. Okay, my chat partner, so it's later in the day and I'm getting ready to make dinner. And what I had for dinner on this particular day is I made some meatballs. And guys, what I did was I used ground beef, and I haven't eaten ground beef in a long time. However, I decided to change it up a little bit. And so what I did was I had ground beef and I added some vegetables to it and egg, and I made me some meatballs. And then later on I added some spaghetti sauce to it. So it was like spaghetti meatballs, so to say, but I just ate them by themselves with some cheese. Guys, it was pretty good. However, I see why I haven't eaten beef in a long time. I'm just going to stick to chicken and turkey and salmon, and then eventually I will stay away from chicken and turkey and maybe just eat fish sometimes. So yeah, my chat partners, this has come to the end of this video. I really do hope you guys enjoy this what I eat in a day video. I know it's pretty short, but I just wanted to show you guys just what I had cooked on this particular day. Thank you all so much for watching. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, Dionne's Life, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you can receive alerts for each and every time I upload and become a chat partner. I'm wishing you all out there a peace of mind, because what? A peace of mind is one of the greatest things in the world. Always remember that you guys are great. And as always, take care, stay safe, and be blessed. Bye, guys.